title of the piece is Crescendo, which is intended to present a question: can we tackle water scarcity? In Cape Town, South Africa in 2015, water levels were critical. And 2017 was the first mention of day zero, which is the day when water runs out. The water levels were so low, people were required to queue up in a line for their rations of water. CSUSpur is an educational institution, and specifically in the Hydro building, they're focused on water research and developing water policies. I was approached to design a sculpture for the Hydro building. I was given the architect's concept, and their concept was that of a ripple and how a ripple causes change, but also the reference to water. And so I wanted to pick up that train of thought, and I thought of the biggest ripple, like a tidal wave. As an undergraduate, I went to study abroad in Scotland to learn how to pour iron. And in the workshop there was a scrap pile where I found the form that is referenced in Crescendo. It's a curved triangle. So in my studio, I create the maquettes, I design the artwork, but when it comes down to the fabrication of a piece this large, I've outgrown my studio. And I was so fortunate to find IDS right here in Colorado. Crescendo is 7 forms, curved triangular forms made out of cast concrete. Crescendo reflects our behavior with water usage, or water overusage, where we use water as if it's an unlimited resource. One of the roles of public art is to talk about these tough issues, and much like a comedian might use humor to talk about a tough topic, I might use beautiful forms to invite the public to interact and engage, not just with the physical forms, but also in the conversation of water scarcity.